Welcome back to Channel VJ. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of semiconductor transistors. Ever wondered how these tiny components power your electronic devices? Let's find out. Semiconductors are the backbone of modern electronics. They're materials with electrical conductivity between a conductor and an insulator. Silicon is the most commonly used semiconductor material due to its abundance and properties. Let's start with how a semiconductor wafer is made. It begins with pure silicon extracted from sand. This silicon is melted and crystallized into a large cylindrical ingot. The ingot is then sliced into thin wafers. These wafers are polished to create a smooth surface, ready for the next steps in making transistors. Photolithography is like printing tiny circuit patterns on the silicon wafer. A light-sensitive material called photoresist is applied to the wafer. UV light shines through a mask with the circuit pattern, transferring it onto the wafer. Next, the exposed areas are etched away, leaving behind the desired circuit patterns. Doping involves adding impurities to the silicon to change its electrical properties. By adding elements like phosphorus or boron, we create regions with excess electrons, known as N-type, or holes, known as P-type. These regions are essential for transistor function. Now, let's put it all together to form a transistor. A transistor typically has three layers: an emitter, a base, and a collector. In a bipolar junction transistor, or BJT, we have either an NPN or PNP structure. The base layer is very thin compared to the emitter and collector. This design allows the transistor to amplify signals effectively. How does a transistor work? Think of it as a switch or an amplifier. In an NPN transistor, when a small current flows into the base, it allows a larger current to flow from the collector to the emitter. This is the key to amplification. In digital circuits, transistors act as switches, turning on and off rapidly to represent binary data. Transistors are used everywhere in computers, smartphones, and even space technology. They are the fundamental building blocks of modern electronics. So, next time you use your phone or computer, remember the tiny transistors working hard behind the scenes. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Channel VJ for more fascinating tech insights. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Channel VJ.